Lovely to have you with me. I'm out, have a crisp morning stroll in the park today. That is called Fatma Jana Park in video you can see. Now we are constantly told that 10,000 steps is the magic number, but the latest clinical evidence shows that even 3 to 4,000 consistent steps a day is enough to dramatically lower all cause mortality, kickstart your basal metabolism, and protect your cardiovascular health. It is a brilliant achievable baseline. If you want to ramp up the benefits, try interval power walking, push on at a brisk pace for 3 minutes, then ease back into a steady stride for 3 minutes. Keep that rhythm going for about 30 minutes. You will easily hit 5 to 6,000 steps while keeping your heart rate right in that prime fat burning zone. Why? Warm up muscle mobility matters after 40. Right after a walk, your muscle tissue is a warm and your joints are bathed in a synovial fluid. After 40, we naturally start losing muscle mass, a process known as sarcopenia. A joint stiffness creeps in. That is why mobility straight after walking is essential. Find a soft patch of grass or use a mat at home. Let's start with a minute of a gentle on the spot jogging and lighting bouncing to wake up the system. As you can see in the video, the way I am standing, the behind my foot is a soft soil that is in Fatma Jana Park. You can see in the video. And I am going to, you can see, I'm going to bouncing myself to wake up my system. You can see you can do that for a minute, and after that, that is all. 1 minute for on your foot, and 1 minute that is for the advanced level. After that, you can have that this one you can see. The next step, rise up on the balls of your feet for a minute. Think of your calves as your secondary heart. Every contraction actively pumps blood back to the venous system towards your heart. Follow that straight away with a high knee marching for another minute, as you have seen in the video. The next is your your knee to chest. This is called hugging your knees. Time for our targeted stretch, balancing on one leg. Draw your knees right up to your chest. Give it a proper hug. Hold for a 10 to 15 seconds and do 10 repetitions per side. You can see that. To decompress your lumbar spine, follow up with a straining glute stretch. You can see this is a glute muscles, and you can see that this is a glute stretch, resting your ankle over the opposite knee to release tension across the lower back and hip. This is what I'm telling you in the video. Most backache and slouching after 40 comes down to rigid hips. Roll your hip through its full circular range to neutralize anterior pelvic tilt and restore upright posture. You can see in that video. Then swing your legs smoothly forward and backward like a pendulum. 10 minutes on each side. 10 repetition, 10 times on each side. You can see the dynamically lengthen the hamstring while firing up the stabilizing muscles in your standing leg. You can see that this is a pendulum movement. No sweep. You now sweep your legs outwards into abduction, then across the middle into adduction. 10 repetition on each leg strengthens your abductor and adductors, improving single leg balance and preventing trips. Drop into a gentle forward lunge hold to lengthen the hip flexor that gets so tight from sitting down all the day. You can see this is I'm stretching, and these are the stretching exercises I'm doing, and these are the very easy exercises everyone can do to keep the spine mobility. Spread your arms wide and rotate smoothly side to side for 10 controlled repetitions. Then take your arm overhead and your arms behind your head to open up the chest. Stretch the lats and expand your rib cage for deeper, easier breathing. You can see If you drive often or sit at a desk, your neck takes the brunt of it. Tuck one hand behind your lower back, gently guide your head to the opposite side and hold for a 10 seconds. Switch sides, then look upward and extend the neck backward then 10 times to undo all that screen slouch. You can see moving your head. Now, to wrap up our session, sink down into an imaginary chair pose and isometric squat hold. Keep your chest proud, arms extended, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. This fires up your quadriceps, reinforces the knees, and leaves you set up for a rest of the day. So we are finishing our video for today. What was our target profile was? It was age 40, height 5'11", weight 81. So this is the video I am showing, and you in the video in the pictures you can see this Uncle Fazl Hussain Mirza whose age is 85. This is the example of a fitness. So my objective of today was joint endure roughly for a times your body weight is compressed force with every stride, pairing the daily 30 to 45 minutes walk and mobility routine with a steady 500 calories daily nutritional deficit reliably yield 3 to 4.5 kg, 6 to 10 pound of sustainable fat loss each month. So this is a 14 days adaptation rules, neuromuscular adaptation. The central nervous